What's up everyone, this is Rahib Ali from DIY Tech, and today we will do unboxing and review of mini keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard which can be used with your TV, laptop, mobile or other devices. Here you can see this is the box. This is a wireless keyboard with trackpad, so you can use mouse and keyboard both on your smart TV and laptop. So let's unbox. Here it's a micro USB cable for charging this device. This is the keyboard itself. It's a rechargeable keyboard. So on the front it's rubbery type keys. Here are the volume up, down and multimedia keys. Here it's navigation keys, search, home, shortcuts. Keyboard left and right clicks. Here let's open it and see if battery is also included with this device. So this is BL5C battery, and this is the USB dongle. This is the power button. And this one has backlit keys. So as you can see that this is default 1, 2, 3 colors RGB, red, green and blue, but you can also change these colors by swiping here, as you can see. Just hold the FN key and swipe on the trackpad, and there you can see more colors. This is a little secret trick of this keyboard that you can use to change the colors of this LED, and this is the trackpad. So that's all. Please subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up to this video, and if you have any questions about this product then you can write in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.